Hey people, let's talk about what stop limit order is and how you can place it on WazirX. But first, what is a stop limit order? It's a conditional order that will execute when the market reaches a triggered price that is set by you. Now in this video, we're going to talk about two main use cases of stop limit, which is to minimize your loss and to grab a buy opportunity. Let's find out how. Cryptocurrency prices are always going up or down, it's volatile. Now let's assume you bought Bitcoin at $8,000. Its price goes up and you're in profit. Suddenly while you're asleep, the prices go down and you're in loss and you end up making a 10% loss. Are you sad? Let's rewind. So here what you could do instead is, when you bought Bitcoin at $8,000, you could set a stop limit sell order at $7,800. This way, even when the price goes down, your sell order will execute at $7,800, that is a triggered price set by you. And this way, you end up minimize your loss to 2% instead of 10%. Now let's check out how you can place stop limit order in WazirX app. You select a stop limit order. You change the triggered price which you are comfortable at. And then you can place a sell order. You have to confirm. And you just have to click OK. And then the order will get executed at the triggered price. Now let's find out how you can grab a buy opportunity using stop limit order. Let's say Bitcoin prices suddenly break out and it goes above 15,000 and you are sad about missing a great buy opportunity. Here again you can use stop limit to make use of that, to avoid something like this happening. Now let's say when Bitcoin was at $8,000 and you had a gut feeling that if it goes beyond 9,000, it will surely break out above 15,000. So now what you can do instead is place a stop limit order at 9,000. So let's see it happening. So when you place a stop limit order at buy order at $9,000 and then it executes, and if it goes above 15,000, you'll end up reaping huge profits. So stop limit is a great way to grab a buy opportunity and minimize your loss. Now let's find out how you can place a stop limit buy order on WazirX. Here also you can change the triggered price to whatever level you are comfortable with. You confirm and then you get a message. So congratulations, you have successfully placed a stop limit order. Hope you enjoy using it, and then spread the word, share the video, and happy trading on WazirX.